In this video, I wish to discuss the importance of screening for breast cancer. Hi, I'm Dr. Ramya Valiveru. I'm a breast and endocrine surgeon at Apollo Hospitals, Hyderabad. What do we mean when we say screening for breast cancer? It's a very important question lingering in the minds of many women these days. Screening test is a test in which we are trying to detect early cancer-related changes in the breast before they actually become obvious to the woman, before she starts experiencing the symptoms, or it can be seen or felt by the woman herself or her doctor. What are the advantages of detecting the cancer-related changes in the breast quite early? Number one, if we detect the cancer in early stages, the treatment is going to be less extensive. The surgery which is required for the woman is going to be less extensive. We can do breast conserving procedures, and the patient has higher likelihood of getting cured from the disease. So what are the methods that are available currently for screening for breast cancer? There are few methods, but most importantly, the scientific research has shown that a screening mammography is the most effective method to screen breast tissue for early cancer-related changes. So now we may want to understand a little bit more about a screening mammogram. To put it simply, a mammogram is an X-ray of the breast in which X-rays are passed through the breast and the image is captured. But with the current technologies like digital mammogram and latest advancements like a three-dimensional capturing of the images and breast tomosynthesis, the doctor will be able to visualize your breast in great detail, and in most cases will be able to detect if there are any cancer-related changes quite early. The question must be arising in the minds of many women at this point of time: who should be undergoing a screening mammogram? In developed countries, the guidelines suggest that every woman above 40 years of age should undergo ideally mammogram annually once a year. If done that way, the cancer can be detected about 2 to 4 years earlier than when it can become obviously known to the patient or her doctor. In India too, unfortunately, due to high incidence of breast cancer, especially in urban areas, we recommend that every woman who has access to a screening mammogram, or women who have significant family history, or a higher risk woman as informed by your doctor, or a woman who is concerned, should undergo a screening mammogram. Knowledge is empowerment, and stay informed. Thank you.